People have sold everything everything. He sold.
My Nigeria, I don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to website. It just happened. After where some Nigerians they raise alarm, say some Nigeria call up police officers. They will say they not wear police uniform. Pursue one man way name the BDME. So after they stop the man, we say in the on top Okada. Can they pursue the man? See because they suspect him to be Yahoo boy. And so the man can't run, can't go mistakenly, take jump, enter for inside one canal, will make the man can't collapse. And later they can't rush the man, take go hospital. And now for there, now Mr. BDME take hospitalized. But the Lagos State doctor person of Ikoloba police wey Benjamin Hunde don't come out to come talk home. Say Ikoloba police don't go visit the place where the gbege happen. As I come they ask one man wey say na I see the way the thing take happen, wey they call eyewitness. Now in the man come they talk so around that kind 10 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday, October 16th, 2024. Say Mr. Bidemi wey say he enter one Okada and the Okada come follow one way for around that go one estate road. Now so the Okada come say Ikoloba police come sharply. Can't turn back, can't run. While Mr. Bidemi can't jump, come out from inside Okada. And so he can't run on his own. Can't go mistakenly get jump, enter inside canal, and nobody pursue. I call about police. No pursue, and they not beat him, they not do him anything. Say na him purpose the just jump, enter inside canal. But plenty Nigerians they don't come out, come talk on top social media. Say this one, na pure lie.
Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí láàárọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá ló lé ọmọ yìí o. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ló lé ọmọ yìí sínú canal báyìí o.
Ẹ fà sókè.
Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ló lé ọmọ yìí o. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ló lé wá sínú canal o. A fẹ́ rescue ẹ̀ ní o. Wọ́n lé wọ́n sínú ibi iṣẹ́ wa láàárọ̀ yìí ni o. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ló lé o. Wọ́n ti pa ọmọ ọlọ́mọ àwọn ọlọ́pàá lágolo.
The former Big Brother Naija housemate wey name is Saga don compose this picture of small amala and a wedu wey dey serve am for inside one party wey him go as him come write on top social media after him post this picture. Say they serve am this mini amala for one wedding wey be say him go come write it. Say T-Pain, you do this one. But not be my mouth, we want to hear who they call T-Pain for inside Nigeria. The former Senate President will be Bukola Saraki don come dey celebrate im daughter will be Dr. Teniola after winning graduate as medical doctor come collect her certificate. The former militant oga will be Asari Dokubo don come reply the army general wey call am with im boys the terrorists as him come dey talk say him no see anything wey be say him with him boys dey do wey bad o. Say because him with him boys dem na dey secure innocent Nigerians to make sure say bandits no dey fit dey kidnap them and they dey fit dey go their market and their workplace freely. As him come dey talk say make Nigeria army make dem torchlight that army general if they really want make Nigeria move forward.
Or engaging bandits so that people can be alive and go to their farm and he call us terrorists. He singled me out and called me terrorist. Nigerians are listening. These rogue officers must be investigated and eliminated from our military if Nigeria is to move forward.
This Nigerian lady don come dey thank God o as she come out to come talk o say na her first pikin wey be say she don born o after she don wait for 28 years. As she come dey talk o say she don pray o, she don wait and she don hope on top God o. But na God don come finally come answer her prayer. The Kwara State Ikoloba Police Command don come talk say these 3 Ikoloba police officers wey their name be Mr. Abiodun Kayode, James Emmanuel, Oni Philip, say they don't pursue the comot for inside Ikoloba police work say because they go by one student of Kwara State Polytechnic for inside Ilori 18th 2024. As police contact say they shoot the student during wey say that they do an ugly protest because of the high price of fuel for inside Ilori. Now they shoot and take by on September 4th 2024. This Nigerian lady don come dey complain. He say one of her neighbor don sell all im house properties dem because of the economic hardship wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. As the man selling chairs, foam, gas and other plenty things dem wey be say e dey for inside im house say because hunger wan kpaya.
People have sold everything in his room. Everything. When I mean everything. He sold everything. Oh my God.
You don't sell the gas.
He sell that gas. That come carry away carry say we go fill a day for yesterday morning. Where I give her food where you go. Now sell it, go sell am.
Oh wow. The situation of this country, they make people they do anyhow. They make people they sell their property.
The Lagos State Building Control Agency don come pursue everybody wey dey live for inside dis building wey don scatter finish. Say because dem want to make people dey safe and dem no want make anybody stay for inside dis kind house make the house no go collapse, small of dem no go kpai. And na dis story building wey be say the building don scatter finish and the building dey around that Gbagada area of Lagos State. And on top X handle na Lagos State government to come out come yarn dis talk on Friday wey be October 18th, 2024. Dis Nigerian man wey im name be Ovodere Stephen aka Otele don come ready to marry 2 women dem the same day for inside Isoko South local government area of Delta State upon say the hard economy wey dey happen for inside Nigeria wey be say some people dey even dey fear to get girlfriend or even to marry one wife, but im get the mind to wan marry 2 women. After 11 weeks wey DSS arrest the EndSARS protester wey im name be Engineer Khalid Aminu come lock am up for inside their cell. Finally, the Federal High Court wey dey for inside Kaduna don come dissolve the case say because the case no get any stand at all as court come even throway the case. Engineer Khalid come out to come share the picture during wey be say DSS arrest am and after 11 weeks wey be say e don stay for inside their cell. The Lagos State government don come dey scatter these buildings there wey dey talk say dey block drainage and canal along that System 1 drainage channel for inside Arowojobe Estate as they talk say this building there dey make water no dey fit dey flow for those areas well as they come use bulldozer go scatter the buildings dem down. The Bauchi State Police Command don arrest 2 secondary school students wey their name be Hamza Sadiq and Aremu Amudu wey dey be 15 years old. The 2 of them as they come talk say why they arrest them, say they arrest them because of robbery and they go rob one phone shop wey dey for inside Wuntu Market for Bauchi State. Now they go tiftalize some phones for there on Friday, October 18th, 2024. Now Ikoloba Police come out to come yarn this talk. The National Mosque wey dey for inside Abuja don appoint Professor Ilyas Usman wey be Imam. Professor Usman na him be the first professor of Arabic for Igbo land and na him be the first Igbo man to head the Abuja National Mosque as a Muslim. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.